Never too much, never too much, never too much.
Babe.
Never too much, never too much.
Oh.
Can't see nothing.
Damn, she ugly.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, shit.
Ooh. Whoa.
Oh, my God. I can't even see nothing. Oh, my God.
Shit. Come on, babe.
Yo, it's a blizzard. What did I tell you? It's a blizzard. Get all over your beard.
Oh, gosh.
Oh my God, that's scary. This is scary. This is scary.
Oh.
We gotta put gas in this car.
This is the blizzard, so we can't see nothing.
Literally, that's what I'm driving 15 miles per hour.
How are we supposed to drive?
Oh my God, we need a brake line.
It's like they're controlling the weather. It's like, cause it wasn't even like this before. Nah, I should have recorded it. Wow, it's like they control this. I don't know, this is crazy.
This is scary. Remember Donald Trump?
He said,
Before the store.
no, he said we're gonna make America great again. Hard to. I'm surprised we're even moving.
I know. Oh my God, I'm loving this weather right now.
I mean,
I don't even know, but
it's brick.
It's
Brick. Alright, so we just accomplished putting gas in the car in this blizzard. And that was a struggle because it's so cold outside. My hands were about to break off. It's okay, baby. Please be safe. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on just in case.
I'm gonna put you in place. I can't really my car.
I said, baby, just please be safe. Put my seatbelt on just in case.
I'm gonna put you all over your place.
I'm gonna put it. Oh shit! Oh shit! You good? Turn that shit back around. We was about to lose our lives.
I can't go around because I can't.
We was about to lose our lives. That ass.
No, that nigga was driving like he
Turn that shit around.
Turn. See what?
Yeah, this is his tires right here. Tires, look at it. Alright.
I think he left.
Yeah, I think. Damn,
Look, I'm gonna show you. We ran into this shit right here.
Nah, he left.
Huh?
He left. Alright, wow. I'm gonna fly up high like a bird up in the sky. Spin my wings out and let the wings go. Just realized that it stopped snowing. That's what we're talking about when we're talking about they're controlling the weather. Did y'all just see how it was just
sunny.
you couldn't, wow. I don't know. But let's see. We gotta take care of what we gotta take care of now. How many car accidents you think happened so far?
I see like
4? I think maybe 3. Look at how people are driving. You see how fast?
yeah. As soon as we seen that guy go in the ditch, that's when it stopped. That's when it literally stopped.
Wow. stay tuned for our music. We dropping it. We already dropped one song. We dropping another song soon. What you gotta say for that, babe?
That's correct. I mean, I'm not a singer and all, but I can touch my
Vocals.
vocal cords the best that I can. Hope you guys like it and enjoy.
Hope you guys like it, enjoy, she said. So stay tuned for we got a couple songs coming. So stay tuned for that. We might drop those as soon as we drop this video. So yeah. Huh?